What if I told you you could start your entire creator journey for free? No fancy gear, no paid editing software, no expensive subscriptions, just your phone and the right tools. Whether you want to grow on Instagram, TikTok, YouTube, or build a UGC portfolio, these are the 5 free tools every content creator needs in 2026. And honestly, I wish someone told me about a few of these like 4 years ago. It would have saved me a lot of time. The creator economy is exploding right now. According to Goldman Sachs, the industry is projected to hit $480 billion by 2027. HubSpot reports short-form video has the highest ROI of any content format, and 56% of brands say they're increasing creator spending this year. And here's the best part, you do not need a huge audience to make money. UGC, which is content you create for brands, is now a $21 billion industry, according to Statista. I've been creating for over 4 years. I bought gear I didn't need, software I didn't use, and made the beginner mistakes so that you don't have to. One thing I know for sure, you can start with your phone, your voice, and your creativity. And for everything else, these free tools I'm about to get into will support you just fine. A quick moment to say thank you to our sponsors, Brevo. Thank you guys so much for supporting this creator journey of mine. Brevo is actually one of the free tools on this list, and later in the video, I'll show you why they're essential for creators who want to grow a real community. Let's jump in. Here are the 5 free tools every creator needs in 2026 and exactly how to use them to level up your workflow. Starting with tool number 1, and I will die on this hill, Canva is the most important free tool for beginner creators and just creators in general. I personally used to waste hours over designing everything, but Canva has made it so simple to create scroll-stopping visuals without spending a ton of time. You can design literally everything. Thumbnails, Instagram posts, TikTok covers, media kits, UGC portfolios, logos, pitch decks, YouTube channel art, even full presentations. It does everything. You don't grow on social media by accident, you grow with consistent branding, intentional visuals, and templates that make your life easy. Canva lets you do that. Most importantly, it lets you do that for free. If you check out my channel, all of my YouTube thumbnails I create myself on Canva, which I mean might not be a good thing. I maybe need a thumbnail editor, but I'm trying to figure it out myself. I create all of my graphics that you guys see within my videos in Canva. So it just makes everything super easy as a creator to keep all my designs in one place and make it super easy for me, someone who has not been trained in design, to get on here and create visuals for myself, which saves a bunch of money because as someone who has friends that are designers and who has dated designers, they are not cheap. Okay. Once your visuals are done, you need a tool to edit your videos, and that's where tool number 2 comes in. Tool number 2, you probably guessed it, is CapCut. This is the easiest free video editor for long-form content and short-form content. According to HubSpot, short-form video has the highest ROI of any content format, meaning that this is where creators are growing the fastest. Now, what makes CapCut so essential is auto captions, trending templates, sound syncing, transitions, green screen, beauty filters if you want them, desktop and mobile versions. I myself am a desktop girly. So having all of this accessible within one free tool is so amazing and makes it very user-friendly for people who have never edited a video before to get on here and create a video that you're proud of. Now, a little advice for those of you who are thinking maybe you want to spend money on Final Cut or Adobe Premiere. To start, you absolutely do not need to do that. CapCut does 95% of what you need on their free version. I used the free version for the first 3 years of my creator journey and had no issue. So save the extra 30 bucks a month that you might be spending, or more if you're using Adobe, and go to CapCut. There are so many CapCut tutorials on YouTube, but if you guys would like me to create a CapCut tutorial with the basic things that you need to know along with some cool tips and tricks, then I would be happy to, because a lot of these videos you guys have been seeing lately, like at least the past 6, have been edited by me. I am pretty CapCut savvy at this point, and I'd be happy to show you. Just comment below. CapCut does 95% of what you need, and your audience cares way more about your story than your editing software. So save your money. Once your video is edited, you need background music that won't get you demonetized. That's where tool number 3 comes in, and it's called Bensound. This tool number 3 is so underrated, especially for YouTubers. I actually just came across this tool literally last month, and I wish I knew about it 4 years ago. This is the only flag for CapCut, because if you're someone who is creating long-form content, the CapCut sounds that say copyright free are just specific to TikTok, and they seldom pass YouTube's copyright rules. One of the fastest ways to get demonetized or blocked on YouTube is using copyrighted music, and nothing kills your momentum like a video takedown or getting a copyright flag after you already put all of the effort to edit, put the background music, set up your SEO, add your title, throw in your thumbnail, and make the video go live. Additionally, YouTube doesn't always flag that a sound is copyrighted until after you publish. So there's nothing worse than posting a video, seeing it get views and engagement, and then find out that you won't be able to monetize it because it's actually using music that's, copyrighted from this person. Bensound is a free library of copyright safe music for YouTube videos. And it's perfect for long form content because you will not have any copyright claims, there will be no takedown, you won't have your audio blocked, and there's no stress for when you're posting that long form video that you took so much of your effort to get ready to go live. Now, as a quick tip for picking your background music, pick music that matches your pacing. If you're teaching, something soft and minimal. If you're doing a vlog, something upbeat. And if you're doing a story time, something warm and cinematic that doesn't overpower you. Okay, your visuals look good, your edit is clean, your music is safe, but here's the real question. How do you stay consistent? Here's something most new creators don't realize. Consistency is a strategy, not a personality trait. People who post consistently aren't more motivated, they just have a system that removes the decision making. When you don't plan your content, everything becomes reactive. You post when you feel like it, your feed looks chaotic, and burnout hits. And it hits fast. But when you use a simple content calendar, you stop guessing, you start posting with intention, and that is the difference between creators who grow and creators who quit. So to help you get organized, let's go over a couple free scheduling tools. Tool number 4 for me is a tie between Metricool and Buffer, because both offer real, actually useful free plans that help you stay consistent without paying for a scheduler. Give you the structure to stop posting randomly and start posting intentionally. Let's start with Metricool. If you love data, this is your tool. You get a free analytics dashboard that shows you best posting times, top content, audience trends, hashtag performance, cross-platform tracking, and yes, you can auto-publish posts across Instagram, TikTok, YouTube, Facebook, you name it, all on the free plan. If you've ever wondered why is my content not performing, Metricool literally hands you the answers. Or at the very least, it gives you a lot of data to help you find those answers. Now, if you want something super simple, Buffer has one of the most beginner-friendly free plans. It's got a drag and drop scheduler, it helps you save captions and hashtags, plan on multiple platforms, and has a really clean, easy interface. Buffer is perfect if analytics overwhelm you and you just want an easy way to batch your content and show up consistently. I personally am using Metricool right now. I think the colorway is just a little bit too aggressive for me, and most people might not be sensitive to that, but I clearly am. And when I get on there, I immediately want to exit because the colors are a little bit too bold. So Buffer's platform looks a lot more calm and looks like a much simpler interface to get on and stay on, which is what I need to do if I'm going to be scheduling my content. So no bad feedback about Metricool's actual platform and the work that it does. It actually has a lot more capabilities and allows you to do a lot more posts than Buffer. I think for the baby steps that I'm trying to take to become a short form content creator in addition to being a YouTuber, Buffer is going to be a lot easier for me to get into without feeling super overwhelmed by all the analytics. If you're Metricool, please don't listen to this video. I love that you guys offer 50 posts per month, and I will eventually get there, but I think for now I'm going to be a student at the School of Buffer Scheduling. So whether you choose Metricool or Buffer, the message is the same. Creators who win in 2026 have a system, so it's time for you to get one. Now, most creators skip this step. They think they need to get big before building an email list, but in fact, the creators who will win in 2026 will be the ones who build their community early. Tool number 5 is Brevo. It's a free CRM and email platform that I use to grow my community and organize brand outreach. And since Brevo is completely free to start, why wouldn't you? Brevo is great because it lets you build your email list, send newsletters, create contact forms, track brand deals, automate your follow-ups, nurture your community, and protect yourself from algorithm changes. Also, if you guys want a full walkthrough on how to set up your first sign-up form, send your first email, then you should watch this video because I go through in-depth how to use Brevo, create a sign-up link, and send your first email campaign. If Instagram was to shut down tomorrow, you might lose access to the community that you're building because you don't have another way to reach them outside of that social media platform. And as long as your community only lives on those social media platforms, you're letting your success rely too heavily on algorithms and platforms that are changing every single day. Don't put yourself at risk. If you want to be a full-time creator like I am, then you want to be able to make sure you can have some consistency in generating income, in monetizing, and in reaching the people who want to support you. You can start for free using the link in my description. If you're a small business creating content and you're looking to upgrade on Brevo, you can use my code KEEKS for 50% off for the first 3 months. You're welcome. Kisses, Merry Christmas. If content creation is on your vision board this year, I hope this video shows you that you do not need to spend hundreds of dollars to get started. Just start with these free tools because they're going to take you so far. And if you guys want full tutorials on like CapCut or Canva, let me know in the comments. I think this could be a really cool free YouTube course that I could get started to help you guys start and grow your creator journey in 2026. So make sure you're subscribed, comment below, and tell me which tool you're starting with, and I will see you in the next one. Love you, bye!